A sound words with mute E. Look at the pictures in column A and write their names. Then match them to their rhyming words given in column B. Take, lake, face, case, date, gate. Game, name, race, base, cake, bake.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.